This is the explanation of the cats. That's how they test how inbred they are.
My mom went to the bathroom and checked.
I was gonna say, what was the puzzle?
It's empty. Baby?
Because when I got my national win on my 40, way back when, I had got most of my points during the summer when nobody else did, and it helped me.
You didn't have a lot of competition.
Right, and I had almost 9,000, and I barely made it.
He's beautiful. What's his name?
Nate.
Hi, Nate. Hi, sweetie.
What are you doing to me?
Hi, baby.
Well, different lines.
Hi. He's gorgeous. Hi, Maxaroni. You're beautiful. Look at his big furry ears.
Definitely.
Hello. Oh, so beautiful. Look at the two colored eyes. Hi, sweetheart. Hello, sweetie. Aww. So adorable. Hi, sunshine. Hello, sweetie. What kind of cat is this?
They're both Bengals.
Oh, beautiful. So pretty with the heterochromia.
Pop your head out too.
Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness.
Because I want to pop my head.
Pretty. So pretty.
You both want to pop your heads out?
They're adorable.
No, you can't come home.
Goodness. Is he cute or what? Hi, darling. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is a ragdoll?
She's a Scottish fold.
Oh, she's beautiful. So she's got those ears. Oh my goodness.
She's in the household category.
She's beautiful.
She's only got one eye.
Oh, she's beautiful.
And a crooked tail.
I love it.
Imperfect, perfect Scottish fold.
I love cats that have like little quirks like that. She is beautiful. Hi, darling. Trying to get a good picture of her beautiful face. Hi, sweetie. I'm obsessed with that. That's amazing. Look at the card holder. Oh, sorry.
No, you're okay. Maybe I can bring him home.
Oh, what a little darling.
Lady wanted to know if we'd be willing to part with it.
How much you want?
I'll trade you the two I have.
No, I'm good.
No, I'm just kidding. They won't deal with having another cat.
Wow, so soft and so short. You want to pet him? You guys, you're waiting back there. You want to pet him?
May I pet him? A Bengal?
He is.
Gorgeous. What's his name?
Watch him. Come on, he won't bite. I promise.
Oh, so
Have you ever pet a
soft.
Bengal? Come here. It's like nothing. Listen. It's
Hi,
like nothing you've
honey.
ever pet in your
Oh
life.
my
I
goodness.
promise.
He's so curious. Hi.
Look real shit. Only
Ew.
bitten one finger up now.
hard part about judging kittens because you can't get wrapped up in just how cute. Short little body, short tail, beautiful presentation.
Best cat is my
Absolutely it's a perfect circle. And the eyes go out
Hi, sweetie. Hi, pretty.
What combs do you like the best?
Hi, sweetie. Hi, Nippy. Hi, baby. There we go. Oh, hello.
I didn't even hear it.
Look. I want to get this one Bengals.
Alright, I gotta have this guy. That wasn't a very good picture.
Oh,
What's his name? Igor. Igor? No, he doesn't want to have a picture taken. She's pretty. She's my girl. Josephine. He's Igor. His real name, the name he came with from Russia.
hey, sweetheart. Hi, sweetie pie. Oh, hello. You're so beautiful, sweetie. Hello. Oh, hello, sweetheart. What kind of cat is this?
She's an Aussie cat.
Oh, she's beautiful. Baby. Hello, he is orange. I can't see him through the baby. Oh my goodness, hi gorgeous. You are beautiful. Yeah, you're pretty. Yeah. Hi, Angel. I love you. Oh my goodness. Hi, sweetie. Oh goodness, I'm sorry. Okay. You're so cute. Bye-bye. Peppermint. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hi. I love him. There we go. Hi, darling. Aren't you beautiful? You're so pretty. Oh, I love you. I love you, sweetheart. Oh, so pretty.
That's Tommy or Minky.
Hi, Minky Tommy. He's beautiful. Aw, sleepy. Come on, let me film him. Look at. Oh, hello. Hello. Aren't you beautiful? Oh, you don't like me. Okay, bye-bye. What's the matter, you? What's wrong? Oh, he was just situating himself. Oh, I'm so sorry. I apologize. Hello, so beautiful. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, I'm just a little kitten. Oh my goodness.
What's their energy level? Unless they're fully grown, is their energy level are they pretty mellow cats?
They as kittens, they were
What's this one's name?
Oh,
I don't know. This is
Oh, oh. Hi, honey. Hello. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think these are raffle prizes. I have hair all over my hands now. Is this a British short hair?
She's
Hi.
not. She's here just to be a pet me cat.
Oh, a pet me cat? Oh, can I pet her? Or she's not in the mood right now, maybe.
Oh no, she
Sweetie.
doesn't wear the harness.
Hi, Bridget. Hi, sweetie. Aww. So cute.
She got a bath. She got all cleaned up to come.
She's beautiful.
Right? She let me clip her nails.
Bridget.
You know, she really this is like a snack for
Oh, to be. Oh, they're true. Thank you so much. Bridget, honey. Sweetheart.
Bridget.
Look. Look.
Oh, she can smell it.
Look, sweetheart. Yeah. Aww. What a
You can
sweetheart.
really win them over with
Yeah.
words. But there's nothing wrong with it, but it isn't good. It would be like a child having too much candy. I bring them back from the ring. I give them a little bit so they associate. I don't like to judge sometimes.
Right.
Ring 2.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
As soon as they are available, bring 5 of these shorter kittens, 11 through 22. 11 through 22, bring 5.
Babby. You'll send me that picture? Thank you.
You're so handsome.
It's really good.
Good morning, Seacoast. I would like to announce for
Second best shirt here from here.
Ginger, hi. I really appreciate you guys letting me hang out with the cats.
Sure. No, you do. Usually the spectators get to go.
Hi, Chip. Aw, you're adorable. Hi, baby.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. There you go. Good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Oh, there's Ginger.
Oh, thank you.
No, you can help choose. She can be different proportions.
Oh, so you're fixing it up to fit
So
his
if you
face
really want it
proper.
to fit cats, they need to be modified.
Right.
You're such a good boy.
Such a good boy. Chippy poo. Aww, aren't you a little angel?
You good, Ginger?
Aww. Oh, yes.
There
Ooh.
you go.
Wow.
Boy. Good boy.
Wow, look at you. Baby. Chippy poo.
Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah.
And the real secret is you feed him. What's the matter? Go ahead. Is it in your way?
He's gonna win.
You didn't do that before.
You're gonna win, baby. Hmm?
It says it's not quite right. I don't know. What did you do? Good boy. Oh, it's over your nose a little bit. Is that good? Good
Oh
boy.
my goodness.
Good boy.
Look at you.
Good boy.
Thank you so much for indulging me and letting me take pictures of him and stuff.
It stays on you better with the strap,
Yeah.
but it's a little tight.
Oh.
Okay, if you were a cutter, you might be.
Oh, I'm.
The ring next to it.
Yeah. Okay, so wait for me to do something.
Oh, look at him.
'Cause these don't work anymore.
He does commercials like Petco.
Oh, really?
Petco and Shea and Wegmans. Yeah, so he's been all run tired back.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Oh my goodness.
7483. All long-haired Hampshire cats remain full. Thank you.
I want to zoom. Ooh. Hi, sweetie.
And there's only a male red tabby. Oh, it's not in here.
Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Hello. I love your shoes. Hi, sweetheart. So sweet. Thank you. I'm not sure.
If she got to start it right away, 15 minutes is bad, but
Right.
that was going to be an hour.
No, that's, yeah. Spend that much longer here. Cool.
So this is a brand new journey.
Oh my god, that is fabulous. Cheese, look at cheese. I like Prince, Sheba, Mabel, Milo. Toy, I have catnip. That is pretty awesome. So cute. Please.
What do you think? Off you go. Is your mom out there? Yeah. That's so true, isn't it? You're like, I know she's out there somewhere. Not back there. You're quick, I can tell. You're so quick. Very unbelievable. Look at that cute little tabby tail. What do you think? Oh, good job. You're measuring up on those. What do you think? Huh? So this, I think, is our oldest household pet entry. She's almost 10.
Oh.
And she said, I'm a diva and I know it. That's the wrong side, sweetheart. Here we go. We got a lot of things going on there, don't we? Yeah, look at Good job. You're a pro at that, aren't you? Pro at scratching. Oh, kiss up point. This one's a real pro. Does the kiss up, headbutt. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And now I'm getting a bath. In case I didn't get groomed well enough this morning. No, it's all right. Wow, you're good. You did a good job.
Oh, the cat costume contest.
Do you want to go down one?
I mean, I can get a good angle of them from here. You don't have to sit if you don't want to.
You're not even touching. We didn't give you a chance at a tour, did we? But I think you're a little bit worried about everything. Yeah. It's a very echoey show hall, and everyone has a little bit of worry about that. You're not alone.
Hello, gorgeous. Hi, darling. I love you. Hi, baby. Hello.
Just tell us. She's very playful at home.
They all, you know what? It's a lot in here, and this is an especially loud show. Isn't it? I know it's echoey, and I know a lot's going on here. An awful lot.
Oh, he won an award?
So that's a merit award. So that means that they're
Sweet cat, love those big expressive eyes. This is my 10th best household pet. Had to have my first little baby come back. Another beautiful brown mackerel tabby with gorgeous, pretty face. 9th best. Here we go. My beautiful gray tabby. Maybe I should put this on here. I don't think you're going to get rid of it. We are so sorry about that. Today she is getting 5th best household pet.
Kidding me? Oh, sure. Thank you. Hello. Oh my goodness. Is it okay for me to pat her?
Oh yeah, sure.
Hi, sweetheart.
Probably pop out of here so we're out of people's way.
Oh.
She's little. She's a little thing.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem.
I've been looking at her the whole time. Hi, darling.